Hello everyone, my name is Raksha. Currently, I'm studying in a 7th semester. I'm from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. The subject which we are going to see today is a user interface design. The topics which we are going to see in the today's session is what is UID, types of UID, advantages of UID, applications using Android Studio, that is by using the graphical user interface. Firstly, we will know about what is UID. User interface design is a process designer used to build interface in a software or a computerized device. Focusing on a looks or style, designer aim to create an interface which user find easy to use and pleasurable. UI design refers to graphical user interface and other forms. Example, voice controlled interface. While the user interface design are primarily responsible for the look of a product, they don't ignore user experience. Many common design patterns are based on creating effective user experiences. This pattern are meant to engage user in a particular way, to make interactions more intensive, and to generally make digital products easier to use. This is the one of the graphical user interface design. Now let us see types of UID. There are various types of user interfaces, which includes graphical user interface, command line interface, menu driven user interface, touch user face, voice user interface, form based user interface, natural language user interface. They all have a unique interface which we can see. Advantages of the user interface design. Firstly, we can see the clarify our vision, make your mark, strike the right balance, customer confidence, navigation is a breeze, interaction acknowledgement, development time are impressive, simplify everything, design for a variety of user. And this is the six benefits well for the user interface. Here less training and the development cost will be less, lower customer support cost, brand loyalty, improved productivity, increased user interaction, and retention, acquaintization of user. And now let us see the example for the uh, graphical user interface. Here we can this is an example which this is the example for the graphical user interface design, where I have designed the phone. This is the XML part of the code, where I will say what does it do. This is the Java part. Firstly, let us see the XML part. Here in the firstly we will create the text view, where we have given the name called call and save the application. And then here also we have given the edit text, that is also known as the text view, in the name called the phone. And then we have created the buttons, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 10 11 12 14 15 19 buttons, which performs like example 0 to 9 numbers. And then for a delete option and for the call option, um, we have created the button which performs their actions accordingly. Here for example, we can see the example for one button. Here the id of the button is 2btn underscore id. This we will use in the Java part, where we can do the interaction. Here the width will be the wrap content, that means the uh, window screen content. Here the text name will be the 2, I mean this will be the number 2. And the the bottom to bottom of, that is the length will be the parent, and end to end of, that is also will be the parent. This will be the basic this will be the default values which we have which we have constructed. And then um, this is the design part. As I have said, here I have given the text view, and here I have given the edit text view where we can enter the number, and here it is a delete where we can delete the number. And these are the numbers that is from 0 to 9, and they are the special characters that is star and hash. Here if this is the call and save button. This is the design part which we have designed, that we can see in the XML part, that we can see in the XML part. This will be the text view will be for this call save application, and the edit text will be this for this, and then button delete will be for the delete button, and the button one will be for the buttons, and then at last call button will be for the call, and save button will be for the save. This is the XML part. And if we come for the Java part, here as we have created the as we have buttons from 0 to 9, we will initialize the buttons. And again we have the hash and star button, so hash and star buttons also we have declared. And we have a delete, call and save button, so we declared them also. And then the phone number we have declared them also. And this as I have said, the ID value, this performs the action. R represent the resource value. On click listener, it performs the action, specified action. And then this is the Java part. And then if we run the code, this will be the output. If we enter the number, example, delete option works, and then save option, if we save, it gets saved. And then if we call goes on, but it does not takes the call. This is the graphical user interface design using the Android Studio. Thank you.